Welcome to another fun and exciting point of sale related video. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the differences between rule-based and role-based security settings. The reason I'm doing this is I was recently in Texas, Dallas and Plano and Austin and all over. Had the opportunity to sit down with about 14 different retailers. And one thing they really liked about the cloud retailer point of sale software is that it is role based. Some of these retailers have upwards of 200 employees. Most of those are entry level positions, and it can be quite time consuming to maintain all that. And for example, if we look at the Microsoft RMS software, you have a new employee starting. So we go to cashiers, enter their information, go to properties, and we've got all these boxes to check as far as what they can and can't do. So you can see it's not huge, but multiply that times 200 and turnover and things like that. It can be one of those little things that causes our hair to go gray. Now, if we take a look at Cloud Retailer, which is role-based, we can see we've got these different positions. So now when we have an employee starting, we're just assigning what position they have. And of course, these are just examples. You could have shift supervisor, assistant manager, things like that. And then we assign that employee a position or a role. And that role has all the different check boxes of what they can, can't do. And it stays consistent. So you're not having to do that for each and every employee. Again, even if you just have a few employees, a couple other retailers, where they only have maybe a dozen employees mentioned to me, this would probably create a little more consistency with what the people can and can't do, because then it's all consistent based on their role or their position. There you go, brief overview. If you have any questions or need further information, please see the video description. Thanks for watching.